Hey beautiful learner. Welcome to Learn English with Emma. I know learning English can feel hard sometimes, but not here. With each video you'll grow more confident, more fluent, and more proud of your progress. Let's make today the day you begin. Today is your very first English class with me, and I'm so happy you're here. Maybe you've tried learning English before and felt stuck. Maybe you've been shy to speak or afraid of making mistakes. But don't worry, you're not alone anymore. Here you'll learn slowly, clearly, and with confidence. This is your safe space to learn and grow. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very simple, but very special. How to practice English slowly and still speak fluently. Even if you feel shy when speaking English, that's okay. Here you'll learn with calm, confidence, and fun. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country to learn well. I'll be your teacher, and I'll help you every step of the way. Many people believe they must move to the UK or America to learn real English. But that's not true. You can learn from anywhere in the world if you have the right method. And today, I'll show you one of the most powerful techniques for learning English fast. It's called the shadowing technique. Now, what is the shadowing technique? Shadowing means listening and repeating English at the same time. You don't stop. You don't translate. You don't overthink. You just listen and echo what you hear. Like your voice is following the speaker's voice, just 1 second later. This method helps your brain connect sounds, words, and meanings naturally. It trains your ears, your mouth, and your mind all together. When you practice shadowing, you start thinking in English without even realizing it. Let me show you an example. I say, English is beautiful. You say, English is beautiful. I say, I love learning new words. You say, I love learning new words. See, you're already doing it. Every time you shadow, your brain becomes a little faster, your tongue becomes freer, and your confidence grows. You're not just repeating words, you're training like a real English speaker. That's the power of shadowing. Before you shadow, always listen carefully to the speaker. Notice the rhythm, the pronunciation, and the emotion. English isn't just about words, it's about music. The way the voice rises and falls, how words connect. That's the real secret of fluency. Let's practice together. Listen first. Every morning is a new chance to improve. Now repeat after me. Every morning is a new chance to improve. Good. One more time. Don't rush. Don't stress. Just flow with the sound. Fluency is not about speed. Fluency is about comfort, about feeling relaxed while speaking. And you, beautiful learner, are already becoming more comfortable every time you listen with focus. Now let's talk about something that stops many people: mistakes. So many learners stop speaking because they're afraid to be wrong. But here's the truth. Every fluent English speaker you've ever heard has made thousands of mistakes. When I started learning Spanish, I made so many funny mistakes. But I didn't stop. I laughed, learned, and kept going. And that's how I improved, just like you will. Don't fear mistakes, welcome them. Mistakes are proof that you're learning, not failing. Every single mistake brings you one step closer to fluency. Say it with me. Mistakes help me grow. Again. Mistakes help me grow. Beautiful. You don't need to study for hours every day. Just 5 minutes of shadowing daily can make a big difference. Consistency is more powerful than perfection. Let's try a short practice session together. Repeat after me slowly and confidently. I can learn English step by step. I don't give up easily. I'm improving every day. Wonderful. Every time you show up, even for 5 minutes, you are winning. Learning English is not about being fast. It's about being faithful. Now let's talk about the most important part of all, believing in yourself. The biggest secret to fluency isn't grammar or vocabulary. It's belief. When you believe you can speak, your brain starts finding the right words automatically. That's why your mindset matters more than your mistakes. Let's say these together. I believe in myself. My English is getting better. I am confident when I speak. Yes, you are. Say it again, louder this time. I am confident when I speak. Perfect. Every time you say these words, you are not just practicing English. You're building confidence in yourself. And that's the real power of learning with Emma, to make you feel capable, proud, and strong. You've done so well today, beautiful learner. This is your first step toward fluent English, and I'm so proud of you. Don't compare your English to anyone else's. Compare it only to your English from yesterday, and you'll see how much you're growing. Remember this. The more you listen, the more you speak. The more you speak, the more natural you sound. And one day soon you'll realize you're speaking English without even thinking about it. So promise yourself, I won't give up. I will learn English. And I will enjoy the journey. Thank you for learning with me today. Come back tomorrow for another slow English practice with me, Emma. You're not just learning English here. You're becoming fluent. See you in the next episode, beautiful learner. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your thoughts. Thank you.